Good night. My name is Hernan David Lozano. I'm from Popayán City, and in this time I explain about the case business, the Diamond Supermarket. The date is September 27th, 2023. Name and role of all characters of the case: Maria Duque, secretary, cashier, and a conman. She is a wife of the proprietary, the Diamond Supermarket. Maria Duque and Pedro, supply chain manager and responsible for interfacing with customers and suppliers. He is he's a son for for the proprietary, the Diamond Supermarket, and Anna too. She is part-time cashier, but she is a student in industrial engineering in 10th semester at the university. Ophelia and Jasmine oversee the cleaning and security of the facilities. Osvaldo, Felipe, Rodrigo, and Juan Sebastian stocking the shelves and unbinding food from the warehouse. Main problems that the supermarket management faces to guarantee success in the market. I identified some problems, some main problems, and I talk about now about that. Facing competition from the two new shops in Villa de Leyva, considerable operational deficiencies and a cash flow deficit. High storage cost due to the location of the warehouse, as well as its deficiency due to over-dimensioning that does not take advantage of all the space. Excessive cost due to problems with perishable products. Logistical problems leading to delays with perishable products. Problems in the issuance of invoices and franchise liquidity. Some suppliers doors have the backing of INVIMA. Lack of function manuals, violence their policies, no training, no formal contacts, no social security for the employees. That is very dangerous for employees when they have an accident or some things. Salaries of our employees are considerably above market standards. They have salaries more than they need. Our employees aren't covered by an optimal medical service and problems of the communication with the clients. Okay, thank you.